Video I'm gonna talk about OSPF virtual links. OSPF virtual link is a tool that you can use if you have a scenario or a topology that looks like this. You have area 1 that is connected to area 0. But you have another area, which is area 2, that is only connected to area 1. OSPF rules say that every other area has to be connected to area 0. So this is not allowed. Area 2 has to be connected to area 0. So you can use a virtual link so that you can create a virtual link between ABRs. In this case, R2 and R3. These are all ABRs. Or both of these are ABRs. So this is your virtual link here. So from R2 all the way to R3. And you can also use virtual link if you have this kind of topology. You have two area 0s and you have area 1 here, and you want those. Of course, you should only have one area 0. So you need to connect your area 0s together and make it just one single area. So area 0 here, you need to use a transit area, in this case area 1. So that is another scenario where you can use virtual link. But let's talk about this kind of scenario here. So like I said earlier, area 2, this is not allowed because area 2 is disconnected to area 1, right? So area 2 has to be connected to area 0. So you have R1 as your internal router, R2 ABR area border router, and R3 also ABR router. And you have this network here, your point-to-point connection here, also here, and you have a LAN network here, just like on this side. You have the loopback IP addresses, so 111 here, 2222 here, 3333 here. They are all /32 or host routes. So virtual link is very easy to configure. So like I said, you create it on the ABRs. So in this case, R2. This is the configuration of virtual link. So you go into your router, OSPF, OSPF 1 is the price ID here, and area 1 is the transit area, and virtual link. This is where you create virtual link, your virtual link, and the router ID of the ABR. So in this case, you are creating this virtual link here. So the router ID, this is the router ID of R3, and this is your R3 configuration. Our router OSPF 1 your transit area, which is area 1 here, virtual link, and this is the router ID of R2. So here